Have a very good morning, all of my dear students. I am myself Om Prakash Sah, and in my today video, I am going to explain and teach you about the adjective. Our today topic is adjectives. The first of all, you will know about the definition of the adjective. An adjective is a word used with a noun to add something to its meaning. An adjective is a word used with a noun to add something to its meaning. An adjective can be placed before or after the noun. An adjective can be placed before or after the noun. Before to start all these ones, the first of all let you know about the kinds of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number. In adjective of number there are three kinds: definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives, distributive numeral adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, proper adjectives, interrogative adjectives. Initially, the first we will start about the adjective of quality. Adjective of quality show the kind or quality of a person or thing. As, just take an example. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was a brave freedom fighter. So, in this sentence you can see that how he was a fighter, brave freedom fighter. Kolkata is a large city. So in this sentence, Kolkata is a large city. What type of city Kolkata is? Is a large. He is an honest man. What type of man he is? An honest man. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality answer the question of what kind of. Of what kind. The second one is the proper adjective. Proper adjectives are adjectives derived from the proper nouns. America, American, China, Chinese, India, Indian, Australia, Australian, Italy, Italians, like that. Indian cultures are best in the world. Whose cultures are best in the world? Indian cultures. Indian cultures are best in the world. Proper adjectives are adjectives derived from the proper nouns. The third one is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, adjective of quantity and it says the questions how much. It shows how much of a thing is meant. It shows adjective of quantity, it says the questions and asks the questions how much. I ate some rice. I ate some rice. In what quantity I ate? Some rice. Some. He showed much patience. What he showed? Much patience. Can you spare some money? What type of things you have spared? Can you spare some amount, some money? So some is the quantity. Much, enough, all these are the symbolic words of the quantity. Adjective of quantity answers the questions how much. Adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Adjective of number. Adjective of number. Adjective of number. Adjective of number and answer it and adjective of number and answer the questions how many. Let's take an example. This book has many illustrations. This book has many illustrations. The hand has 5 fingers. All men must die. This book has many illustrations. So look the sentence very carefully and you can see here that adjective of number and answer the questions how many. So this book has how many illustrations? Many illustrations. Let's take another example. The hand has 5 fingers. If I say that the hand has 5 fingers, so how many fingers in our hand? 5 fingers. So it the questions how many. Adjective of numbers and answer the questions how many. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives answers the questions which one. Demonstrative adjectives answers the question which one. It point out which person or thing is mean. Demonstrative adjectives, it point out which person or thing is mean. Like that, this, that, these, those, such. This tree does not bear fruit. Which tree does not bear fruit? This tree. That boy is industrious. Who boy is industrious? That boy is industrious. So demonstrative adjective point out which person or thing is meant. This, that, these, those, such these are the symbolic words for the demonstrative adjectives. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives show belonging or possessions. This possessive adjectives show belonging or possessions. Like that, my house is quite near the school. My house is quite near the school. Whose house? My house, our house, your house. My, our, your, all these are the words of the possessive. My house is quite near the school. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask the question. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask the question. Are used to ask the questions. What time will the meeting be held? What time will the meeting be held? There are some symbolic words for interrogatives are what questions, what, which, where, why, when. What time will the meeting be held? Exclamatory adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives are those adjectives. It helps to express such strong emotion. It helps to express strong emotion. What a blessing. God bless you. What a wonderful scene. So, student, all these are the kinds of adjectives, and uh, so all of you will learn about this one in today topic, adjectives. In our next video, I will come with another topics. Have a good day. Thanks.